Hello everyone and welcome to 4th grade. This is Miss Stevens speaking, and on behalf of all the 4th grade teachers, we are so excited. We have been planning and prepping and getting our classrooms ready, and we are super ready for the beginning of this school year. This presentation is going to talk about some of our expectations since we are starting the school year with digital learning. So here are the 4th grade teachers. We have Miss Tharp, Miss Etheridge, Miss Geis, Miss Stevens, Miss Anderson, Miss Flanagan, Miss Gray, Miss Alexander, and Miss Flory. Our 4th grade support teachers are Miss Rigdon, Miss Stockwell, Miss Boyd, Miss Thompson, and Miss A. And here's a quick video.
Give a smile and a wave and we treat our friends. Yeah, we've done this before, so we come right in. Use our brains and our smarts and we think we'd win. You know we're gonna take charge, and we're gonna work hard. If fourth grade is the best, yeah, fourth grade is the best. Welcome to our class. Gonna learn so much now. We can't even slow down. We don't ever hold back. Welcome to our class. Showing what we know now. Putting first things first, yeah. We don't ever hold back. Welcome to our class. Welcome to our class. Our class, yeah! Open up the class door, space. It's our class, come on, turn it up. When we walk into school and the day begins. Give a smile and a wave and we treat our friends. Yeah, we've done this before, so we come right in. Use our brains and our smarts and we think we'd win. You know we're gonna take charge, and we're gonna work hard. If fourth grade is the best, yeah, fourth grade is the best. Welcome to our class. Gonna learn so much now. We can't even slow down. We don't ever hold back. Welcome to our class. Showing what we know now. Putting first things first, yeah. We don't ever hold back. Learn so much now. We can't even slow down. We don't ever hold back. Welcome to our class. Showing what we know now. Putting first things first, yeah. We don't ever hold back. Welcome to our class. Welcome to our class. Our class, yeah!
So here is our schedule. From 8:15 to 8:25, you will be receiving a daily agenda from your teachers of what your child will be expected to do. From 8:25 to 8:45 is our class meeting. 8:45 to 9:55 is our reading section. 9:55 to 10:40, your child will have specials. 10:40 to 11:30, you will either have science or social studies. We're going to be switching it off every other unit, so you won't have science and social studies during the same week. 11:30 to 12:30 is lunch. 12:30 to 1:40 is our math time, and 1:55 to 2:45 will be our writing time. So our Tiger traits, we focus on trustworthiness, always telling the truth. Integrity, always doing the right thing. Growth, always striving for excellence. Effort, always giving 100%. And respect, always being considerate. We will be doing Class Dojo this year since we usually do passports in the Friday folder, but to keep up with those tiger traits, we are going to sign up to do Class Dojo to reinforce that positive behavior. Teachers will also use this tool to communicate conduct with parents, and it will only be conduct only, not academics. Your child is missing work, your child's teacher will communicate with you in a different format through email or asking you to do a Zoom meeting. So Class Dojo is only going to be used for your child's positive behavior. Our teacher office hours are scheduled time each day to respond to student and parent questions either by email, phone, or Google Classroom posts. Our office hours are from 7:30 to 8:15 a.m. and 2:45 to 3:30 p.m. Please note that in between the time of 8:15 a.m. and 2:45 p.m., teachers will be working with students in small group and attending meetings as well. Some digital materials to make sure that you have at home are some headphones, a computer and internet access, whiteboards and expo markers, composition notebooks, and pencils. Any manipulatives that will be used will be linked in our lessons. A working environment for your child, create a consistent workspace to study, minimize distraction, have them take frequent breaks, provide all materials to help child to be successful when completing tasks, and have a set schedule for your child to follow. Student expectations, attendance will be taken daily. Quality of work will be reflected in grades. Work is to be completed and submitted daily. Students will be required to participate in a live small group daily. Students will be asked to join their teachers' classroom meetings every morning, and students will also be asked to join a scheduled small group meeting with their teacher daily. Retake policy. Students will be allowed to retake one common assessment during each unit for each subject upon student request. Zoom meeting norms. Be logged in at your scheduled time. Students should be logged in with their first name and last name. Students should be working from a desk or a table, not laying in the bed. Students will be expected to be dressed appropriately. Video must be on and microphones should be off unless responding to a teacher. And 100% participation will be required during your Zoom small group meeting. What will our lessons look like? All teachers will house a digital lesson in Google Classroom. For each day, students will have access to recorded mini lessons and links to complete assignments for each subject. Teachers will provide an agenda video that is an overview of today's lessons and tasks. This will be linked on their first slide. Please contact your teacher if you have any questions or concerns. We are super excited. We know this is not how we wanted to start the school year, but we cannot wait to see all your pretty faces, and we are looking forward to an awesome year. Have a great day.